Great ideas to increase your affiliate marketing opportunities. Affiliate marketing can be a lot of work, and there are so many ways that someone can either improve upon the program or change the program entirely. So whether you need more techniques to help promote your site or if you're looking for a new program to promote your site, take a look at the tips below. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, make certain that the affiliate program with which you join uses cookie tracking. This will ensure that you will be credited for all the purchases made by people who buy items on their second or subsequent visit to the affiliate company's site. Separate your task lists so that you do not become confused or bogged down while working as an affiliate. Personal matters can sometimes get in the way of affiliate marketing, especially if you allow them to bleed over into your work. Make sure you're doing your best to keep these two worlds from colliding. If you are just starting out as an affiliate marketer, you should attempt to keep your campaigns small by only going with one solid product. See if you have a knack for the game or not. If you begin to make commissions on products, then you can begin to expand your presence online. But keep it small to start. Many affiliate marketers cannot resist the temptation to push the process to the limits. These individuals ultimately take on more than they can handle, eventually resulting in their failure. Maximum results do not exist. Taking your time and implementing the right approach for you is always the best way to go. Affiliate marketing can be a very effective tool to have in your arsenal for promoting your business. You may already have a successful business, but you may want to know how to promote it further, or you may want to learn something new for future marketing plans. No matter your reasons, hopefully the tips above have given you some ideas. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.